together. Z-Max door linkage. It also works for the old style 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, etc. First thing you want to do once you got it all apart is re-lube all your linkage parts. Anywhere you're going to have metal touching metal, you're going to want to re-lube those up. You start off, you take the one that goes on the right, you lay it in there, you just give it a flip. You set it in there towards the back side here. Take your other one. Get it lubed up anywhere where metal is going to be touching metal. You set that one in there upside down like this and flip it that way. So the left side one should ride against the outside, the right side should ride against the inside. You'll have a little 2-inch block with a tapered end on one end. You're going to want to go to the right of your enlarged hole, your handle hole, with the tapered end pointing towards the hole. And that block should fit perfectly in between the handle hole and your first bolt hole. So once you got that set up, you can actually move this block back about a 1/2 inch. And then for your door, this is our door front. You want your handles, the 2 pins on the handle should be perpendicular to your bolt holes. The handle should stick out about a 45-degree angle away from the door front. And what I do from here is I take my finger, I place it on that block. Basically what we're going to do is just go up, straight over, all the while keeping your finger on that block so it can't fall out of there. Then you pull your pins out about a 1/2 inch or so. You push your handle straight up. You just kind of give this thing a wiggle until you see it'll engage and your 2 pins will move. That's when you know you got it all hooked together right. And your finger's still on that block. You push that block up so you can see that bolt hole becomes revealed. You slip your hand out, lay it down, and right away put a bolt into that hole so that block can't move. And then you just put the rest of your bolts in and you should be good to go.